This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, today I'm going to take a mock interview. Okay,
Yes, sir,
so
please.
let me
Yes, sir.
ask the questions and tell me what is a ASAP methodology?
So SAP methodology stand for Accelerated SAP methodology.
Oh,
Before methodology, we have to take appointment with
no,
the
no,
clients.
no, no. Stop. The answer should be
Okay, please.
crispy. Okay, I asked just
Okay.
what is ASAP, and you have to tell the answer and don't tell all those stuff. Okay, that and all don't need.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So yes. Okay. So I'm
so
here.
yeah, what are the
So
phases we have
SAP
in ASAP
method.
methodology?
So actually, five phases were mostly important we have faced. First of all, project preparations,
Mm-hmm.
then business blueprints.
Mm-hmm.
Next is final preparations, then go live in
Sorry,
sports.
wrong.
Uh, sort of project preparation, business blueprint, realization phase. Sorry, third is
Yeah,
realization phase, then go live in sports, and then uh, go live in fourth is final preparation, then fifth is go live in sports, and sixth is run SAP.
yeah. So at what
Yes.
phase you have worked?
So my phase is realization phase. We have to follow. Okay, in
Sorry.
this phase we have to. So as per IM consultant, we are facing realization phase.
So
My
have you
work on
worked on the
realization
business
phase.
blueprint? Have you worked on business blueprint?
Yes, sir. My business blueprint is that we core team and process owner with the meetings with the senior person, sir. We have to coordinate with all peoples and we have to legal document we have to sign in business blueprints and depend on as is to be process we have to follow there.
Mm-hmm.
We have to decide how much consultant we need for project, how
Mm-hmm.
much core teams, how much business
Mm-hmm.
behavior like this. We have to
Mm-hmm.
all understand we have to think business blueprints and then we have to sign our teams
Mm-hmm.
and the client sides. We have both marked
Mm-hmm.
on documented.
Mm-hmm.
Then we relationship phase we have to follow, sir.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So what is as is
Uh,
methodology? What is as is
so
document?
as it so as it methodology means that before behalf of this concept we follow business blueprints, sir. As is methodology means that we have to connect with client teams. We have a project, but we don't know how to project behavior, how to
Mm-hmm.
user work, how to buying a
Mm-hmm.
material from clients. We
Mm-hmm.
and how vendors fixed vendor, yeah, contact vendor, one time vendor, yeah, long term vendor. We have to all checks. Behalf of
Mm-hmm.
this, then
Mm-hmm.
we business blueprint and we have to follow 2B process, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That is as 2B, sir.
So I asked what is as is. So tell me what is as is exactly.
Sir, exit exactly, sir. I just senior persons and core teams and process owners teams.
So
This all involve.
so you told
So
that you have worked on
maybe gap,
you told
right,
that
sir?
you worked on business blueprint, right? So tell me exactly what is as is.
So as is, sir, I just
You only told, right? You worked on as is process. So tell me what is as is. It's a simple question. As is a basic question in ASAP
yes, sir,
methodology.
I know this is
What
basic
is it?
question, sir.
Yeah,
We
then tell me
so as is,
what exactly.
yes, sir, as is exactly, sir. As is, you can say,
Hmm.
sir, how to, sir.
So tell me what is a to be document.
So after as is, we have to be document. We have to follow behalf of SAP that what's where the plants, how much plant clients have, in which areas plants. So mainly we have to finish the gap between clients and our sides. We have to
I'm not
follow
asking
to be
about the gap
process.
I'm not asking about the gap analysis. I'm just asking what is a to be process. As simple as that. Tell me simply what is the to be process. What you will do in the to be process.
So to be precise, sir, I'm just try to understand, but clearly what the definition, sir, I don't know, sir. So little bit confused regarding this.
Mm-hmm. So simply
Uh,
see, what is as is means it is a process of understanding the business, how the client is running. Okay,
okay,
and it is a
okay,
come to the to be process. It's a mapping of client requirement with SAP as per the as is documented. Okay, see the
okay,
the answer should be right. Okay,
okay,
don't tell
okay,
all these
okay,
things.
okay,
Okay, it's not
okay,
at all a good thing actually. I think you
okay,
don't
sir.
have
So
much knowledge on a business blueprint. I think you don't have much knowledge on business blueprint, and these are all the simple questions. And
okay,
okay, tell me what is a
okay, sir.
gap analysis?
Sir, gap analysis. I just read something about that. Gap analysis means that uh, as per client side is using as something factories. We can, for example, sir, factories. And as per my SAP understand, we say plant where manufacturing unit is going on. So if any gap between client side and we have
Hello?
to fill, right, sir?
Yeah, no.
Hello.
Yeah.
So what,
Okay.
sir?
Leave it. I think you need a more practice. Okay. I think you are not practiced well. You know. So let me ask you one question. One more question. What is a golden client?
So clients. So golden clients where we where all configurations will be done.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Yeah.
FI, SD consultants. This is what happens there. Sometime with three clients are unit testings and verbal testing. Some companies only golden clients they will follow the all.
Don't
Uh,
explain all these things. I just asked you what is a golden client, and you have to tell what is a golden client. Simple. Golden client where all SPRO things will be performed. That is what a golden client.
perform there.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
simple as that. Don't explain all these things, and
Okay.
why you are complicating your answer by yourself. Okay, don't
Yes, sir.
complicate the answer. It should be
Okay.
simple. It should be very
Okay.
crispy. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
So I'm going right side. No, sir. I'm going right side little bit. But there is
Yeah,
some complicated.
yeah, it's right. Somehow it's right
But
answer, but
but
after you add some masala to that, so then after anyone can
okay.
understand that
Okay. 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 And it means golden card means all the consultant will perform there.
which are just simple answer where all the configuration activities will be performed. That's it, as simple as that. So what is it?
Okay.
Unit testing.
So unit testing means where all configurations will be tested there.
All
Will we
configurations
move?
test will be done, or else a transaction based testing. What is it?
Means unit testing means that if you all configurations,
Hmm.
so transaction key number range, so we already test somewhere. So this is unit testings, integration testings, maybe this kind of.
So what is the difference between unit testing and integration testing?
The difference, sir, I don't know, sir. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. So tell me what are the landscapes we have?
Sir, landscape, we have three landscape, development,
Mm-hmm.
ABAPers, and testings. These are three landscapes. Uh, sorry, development, qualities, and productions.
Yeah, now it's right.
These are three landscapes, and
Mm-hmm.
develop. Yeah, that's it, sir. And maybe explain.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay, thank
What
you.
is UAT?
Yes, sir.
What is UAT?
UAD, user acceptance testing.
User acceptance testing.
Yes, sir.
So at UAT, what will be performed? What will be tested?
So Miskil Didi performs on go live in final preparations in methodology.
You,
So I'm not
you,
sure
you
about sorry about it.
See, I expected you from, more, but you're not up to the mark, seriously. So tell me, what
Yes,
are
sir.
the types of TRs we have? What are the types of transport requests we have?
Two types of TR we have. One is
Mm.
customization and workbench.
So what is a customized TR?
So customization, we are all functional constraints we work there, like FI,
Mhm.
SD, MM. This all the
Mhm.
configurations with testing and we
Okay.
save somewhere. Maybe
Mhm.
we different types, material and vendor master like different customization phase testings. So and this kind of and workbench means that we are technical persons will
Mhm.
be performed there. We
What is a
will
cross
save that.
client? What is a cross client?
So cross client, sir, no idea, sir.
Tell me, what is BPMN?
Sir, B
PML.
P M L.
Yep.
No, no, sir, I think. So I think notes we have notes PPML, I think. Yeah, we have notes just transports,
So
P
let
code.
me know one thing. Are you by hearting the things, or else you are trying to understand the concept? I
No, sir,
don't
by
think
heart
so.
I'm trying to concept. No, sir, please, sir, I yes. Because tomorrow's I'm just reading your notes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Seriously, sir.
I think you are by hearting the things. That's why you're not able to give the proper answers. So I told you in the previous classes. So we need to know the concept. Then only we'll answer easily. And you guys are by hearting, so it's not use. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go to the next thing and tell me, what is the organization structure?
So organization structure is a framework where we some follow hierarchy.
Mm-hmm. So
Hierarchy
what type
means
of
that we have to
hierarchy we have?
hierarchy says first we have a company name, then we company codes and
Mm-hmm.
plant, store
Mm-hmm.
location, purchasing
Mm-hmm.
organization, and purchase group. This is hierarchy we have to follow, sir. As per
Mm-hmm.
IBM consultant, we just follow plant, store location, and purchase organization. This is my as our company code and company names. This is FI consultant. This is
Mm-hmm. 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 So whenever you are giving answer, you have to give the answer towards MM side only. Don't tell all these things. Okay. Until
okay, sir.
unless if they
Thank you.
particularly argue, then you have to give the answer.
Thank you, sir.
So okay. So tell me, what is a plant?
So plant is a unit where manufacture and production is going on.
Mm-hmm.
Manufacturing units, you can say that is a plant.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh,
Anything
yes, sir.
else?
Anything else, sir? When no, sir. Anything else? Don't know about. As a manufacturing units, you can say that
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
simply.
Okay. What is storage location?
Yes, sir.
What is storage location?
Store like locations where uh, uh, physically material be kept within the plant. That is store locations. And
Mhm.
segregations material which takes place activities.
Please be on online, please. 1 second.
Yeah, please.
అన్న నేను మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకుంటున్నాను, నేను తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తా. యా సారీ ప్రదీప్. యా
Yeah, yeah.
యా టెల్ మీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టోరేజ్ లొకేషన్?
So store locations is where location where we physically stock kept within plant, and this is a segregation materials can be takes place. This kind of
ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ పర్చేసింగ్
and
ఆర్గనైజేషన్?
purchasing organization where or purchasing activities takes place.
సో
That
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ పర్చేసింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్?
yes, sir, please. Can you
వాట్
centralize?
ఈస్ సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ పర్చేసింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్?
Sir, I'm not speak loudly, please. Can you speak again?
వాట్ ఈస్ సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ పర్చేసింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్?
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. So centralized purchasing organization, they we perform all departments, all areas activities performed there.
See, centralized purchasing organization where it controls all terms and negotiations of the plans under the one company is called centralized purchasing organization. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
tell me, what is the standard purchasing organization?
So standard purchase organization is responsible for the special procurements like consignment, subcontracting, pipeline, this kind of
So tell me,
special
what is the
procurement we have
pricing?
to. Yes, sir,
What is
please.
the purchasing group?
Purchasing groups, sir. So
Yeah.
purchasing groups also part of purchasing organizations under the work, and this is especially used for negotiation with the vendor. Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the reference purchasing organization? When you will create a reference
So
purchasing organization?
So reference organization means that we have to connect with another purchasing organization also. That is reference. By reference, we are go to details. By reference, we can connect with another purchase organization. So if we use those purchase organization, then we all activities we are performing reference we use in another purchase organization also.
What is the use of this reference purchasing organization?
So reference purchase organization linked to one several purchasing organizations, and basically use you can say that is a link to different purchase organization also, and we can use any sectors if possible. Like work is centralized, you can say that.
Can we have a can we use one purchasing organization for different or company codes?
So one purchase organization different codes, sir. So one purchasing organization to different company code. Sir, maybe
So tell me, what is the path to create a plant?
so plants first of all SPO, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structures, definitions, logistic journal, then check plant and read codes. So there will you can find check plant.
What is the transaction code then?
So transaction code is OX10.
So what is the path to create a purchasing group?
So purchasing group, sir, SPRO, IMG, material management, purchasing, then the purchase group.
Okay. So user created a wrongly material type. Okay.
Wrongly, okay, sir.
Yeah. So is it possible, to change the material type?
Yes, sir, we can change T code MMAM. T code we can use and then we change.
So what is the prerequisites we need to check?
Yes, sir, please, can you?
What are the prerequisites we need to check?
Purchase request, sir.
What are the prerequisites we need to check to change the material type?
Request to change the material types. So we do T code MMM and select which material you have. Select positions.
Are you practicing or else like what is the issue actually? Basically, what is the issue? Seriously, I have explained each and every point and I've given everything notes and I have mentioned everything in the blog, and what's the wrong actually? I have to know, right? So
sometimes we have to give proper answer. You know, Sam? So we remember is not
I
each
have
and
mentioned everything
point
in
to
the
point.
notes and even I
Yeah,
have
I know, sir.
maintained in the blog even, but what's the wrong actually? So these are
So
all the
actually,
very basic questions, and not even giving proper answers.
sir, different changes you can say that, sir. You can list change materials.
So is it at what views we can block the material?
Okay, block the material, sir.
At what views we can?
So block the material. Sir, the T code we have to use. I'm forgetting T codes.
Mm-hmm.
Which T code you are using, sir? Sorry, sir.
I don't know. So at what level we can flag it or unflag the material?
Yes, sir. I'm sir. Flag and flag. I'm not using. Sir, practice.
Just
I'm not.
asked you the question. You tell me the answer. That's it.
Yes, sir. I'm forgetting T code, sir. Which T code here? And flag and flag and flag.
So
Yes,
you're
sir.
not practicing then.
Yes, sir. Practice note, sir.
You're not practicing.
Yes, sir. But does it mean, sir, we can, maybe I'm not understanding your point of view.
So you're not understanding, or else like what?
I am understanding, sir. Everything you have put
Mm-hmm.
out.
Mm-hmm. So then,
Okay, so
see here.
explain
If you go to the
status.
MM02 at the basic data
Okay.
one view, we have explain material status. So here,
Okay.
we can block the material, and also we can
Okay,
go
sir.
to MRP view. There also we can block the material. Okay.
Okay. Explant material status.
So
Right, sir.
yeah,
Thank you, sir.
flag for deletion, we have to go to the transaction code MM06, and you can see here. You just give the material and see here. We can maintain it. If you activate,
Okay.
and this material will be flagged for deletion for the entire company code. And if you
Okay.
click, this is material will be for plant, and likewise we can storage location, likewise we can set the flag for deletion. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, what is the transaction code we use to extend the views for the material master?
MM01,
No.
MM50.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the transaction code to extend the material to different storage locations?
Different store location, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
One T code we have numbers. Just yes, sir. I've read six. Have note this T code, sir. Different store
Yeah,
locations.
MMSC.
Yes.
So what is
MMSC.
the difference between the
Yes, sir.
standard price and moving average price?
Sir, main price, standard price, main difference price is suppose we have a standard price, so cannot change it. Okay, suppose standard price is and we same will be, and moving price will be fluctuate to market. This
Your
is
voice is
difference.
breaking.
And standard
Your
price,
voice is
for
breaking.
example, yes, sir.
Your voice is
Yes, sir.
breaking.
Okay, let's wait a minute.
So tell me, what is a P2P cycle?
Hello.
Tell me what is a P2P cycle?
So P2P is a procure to pay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Initial entry we are created from PR. PR is initial entry, and is a
Mm-hmm.
purchasing department is a follow, and purchasing department is requester a person's the request to as a PR, and purchasing department they follow audit also, and behalf of PR we have check requirement of material also, and then if we have vendor, then we create a PO. Otherwise, we have to request of quotations behalf of a PO.
Mm-hmm.
Request of quotation is that we have to send to vendor. the material with the quotation and price, please send us. And as I assume that vendor send material us as condition and price, and then we'll
Mm-hmm.
maintain all price and condition with materials.
What is the
And we
purchase requisition? What is the
so,
purchase requisition?
so purchase requisition is an internal document, sir.
Mm-hmm.
It's inventory purpose we are
Mm-hmm.
using in our purchasing department, sir.
Mm-hmm. What is the transaction code we will use to display list of purchase requisitions?
So display, sir. Display ME53
Display list of purchase requisitions, I asked.
display list ME5A.
Yeah. Okay. What is the source determination?
Sir, source determination if you activate
Mm-hmm.
in a purchase order या PO, sir, bit confused. Yes, source determination is activate, then we
Mm-hmm.
then sir, automatic PO, sir, automatic. So little bit nervous, sir. For getting so determination. But yeah, you learn the checkbox you have to click. Yes, so determination
So
you
what
have
are
to
the
follow.
configuration settings you will be performed for the purchase requisition?
So purchase setting. So first of all, we have to create a number range and document types, field selections we have to. So as a
Is it a
configuration,
path to
SPR,
create a document
yes sir,
type?
yes sir, SPRO, IMG, material management, purchasing, then purchase equations, then document types and number range and screen layout we have to mention.
Mm-hmm.
Yes sir. This kind of configuration. First of all, when document types we have to create position, go to NB. We say document types. We have to check as per your change client requirements, and then we have to assign number range two types, internal, external, and field
Okay.
selection also.
Okay. While creating a purchase requisition, from where the price will be picked?
The price will be pick from the materials. M01 jam create materials. Going
Material
price
master.
price. Yes, internal
Okay.
master.
Tell me few views to create a material master. What are the mandatory views to create a material master? Tell me few views.
Materials are like basic data, purchasing view, accountings, and journal stories are the main things, sir.
Okay, while creating a PO, if you are not maintaining the purchasing view, system will allow us to create a purchase order.
Yes, sir, you can.
Try it once, okay? Try it and let me know.
Okay, sir, I will try. Okay, sir.
Don't maintain any purchasing view and then let me know once the class is done. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, I will try. Thank you.
So what is RFQ?
So RFQ is a request for quotation, sir. We have sent a quotation to vendors and ask request to please send back with quotation material and price condition with send us. So the request for quotation to vendors. External document, you can also see that.
So what is the transaction code we will use to maintain the RFQ?
Maintain FE47. ME47 maintain.
So tell me, what is the inventory management?
The inventory management where stock of materials store in quantity and value based is called inventory management, sir.
So what is the difference between transfer posting and stock transfer?
Sir, transfer posting and sir?
Transfer posting and stock transfer.
Stock transfer posting and stock transfer. So transfer post Stroke transfer. So stroke transfer means that when you stroke transfer from one plant to another plant, yeah, some and
So what is the
posting means
moment
that
type we will
internal.
use for goods receipt for purchase order?
So 101 is a movement type we are using. Good receipts.
What are the accounting entries we'll get?
Sir, accounting.
Entries we'll
Account.
get. So tell me first, what are the transaction case we have?
So transaction key mostly three types. Transaction key, three digits alphanumerics, and this is help to transfer the stock posting as a
I asked you
accounted.
what are the types of transaction case we have?
The transaction keys are BSX, WRX,
Yeah, that
PRD.
is the answer.
Yeah, this is
GBB.
about GBB. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have more. We have more. If we go to
Yes.
OBYC,
Yeah, OBYC. Yes, 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 sir.
these are all the transaction case we have.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me few moment types.
So movement types are 101 movement types, 102 reversal
Tell me
movement
the
types.
definition even.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah.
So 101
Tell me.
movement
Yeah,
type.
right.
Yeah, 102 reversal, and 103 GR block, 105 GR2 on stocks, and 122 from GR2 return to vendor, 124 on stock location to vendors, and 301 so from by stocks transfer to one plant to another plants. 30 303 305 3011 331 315 551 161.
What is automatic account determination?
So automatic account determinations. So account determination will be determines GL general ledger account automatically.
So
GL
tell
means
me how
all
you will
expenses will be loaded. Yes, sir.
Tell me how you will configure the automatic account determination.
So first of all, we have to valuation level we have to maintain. So first of all, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structures, definitions, and logistic journal. Then we
What
go
is
to
account?
valuation level.
What
Yes,
is
sir,
account
please.
category difference? What is account category difference?
So account category reference. So account category reference is each material types has one category reference. Is work as a bridge between the balance class and company code, sir. You can say each material types one account category reference, and one category reference has more than balance class. This is, sir, enough.
Account category reference will be used to assign the valuation class to the material type. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, fine.
So
Which will link, sir. You can say that link between the. We can say that. Can say that.
yeah, we can tell. No issues.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Let me ask you one more question. What is the transaction code we'll use to group the valuation grouping codes?
Valuation grouping codes OLMW. Yes,
I asked
OLMW.
you the transaction code for the valuation grouping code.
So valuation grouping code, sir. Sir, forget. Path I know very well, so could I think forget.
Yeah, it's good to know.
OWMB,
But
sir, I
we have
think.
to, yeah, it's good to know the path actually. So, but the thing is, you have to know, even
Yes, sir.
transaction codes.
Yes, sir. But we have to daily practice, sir. We will remember.